Oxides. The word oxides come from oxygen, meaning that some metals react with oxygen. Metals and nonmetals oxides. Most metal oxides aren't soluble in water and don't react with it. So most metal oxides do not dissolve in water and do not react with it. For example, they're saying if we put magnesium oxide with water, it doesn't seem to dissolve. So they're saying if we put magnesium oxide with water and mix them well, they do not dissolve. However, if you test the pH of the mixture, you find it is mildly alkaline. So we said that magnesium oxide doesn't dissolve in water. But if we measure the pH of the mixture to see if it's an acid or a base or neutral, we find it to be alkaline. So when magnesium oxide reacts with water, it gives a basic solution. The reaction is MgO, magnesium oxide, plus water reacts to give MgOH2. OH indicates that the mixture is alkaline or basic.